In this video, I will guide you on how to transfer money from Starbucks card to bank account. So without further ado, let's get started. So when you're ready to transfer those Starbucks card funds to your bank account, then start by logging into your Starbucks account. Now look for the pay option as this is where you can handle your transactions. Now once you're there, navigate to the menu and within it, you will find the transfer balance option. Give it a click to initiate the transfer process. Now, following this, you will be prompted to input your bank account details. So just fill in the necessary information ensuring accuracy. Additionally, specify the exact amount you intend to transfer during this step. Okay, so after entering all the required digits, click on the confirmation button. And now, all you have to do is wait. Usually within 3 to 5 business days, you can expect to see those funds transferring into your bank account. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, drop a comment, share this content, and subscribe for more guides and tips.